Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at Xpeng and the Auto. Before we begin, remember take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as you greatly help our channel. Without further ado, let's first start off with Xpeng, the one listed in US. The ticker is XPEV. So as you can see, we found some struggles above in the cloud area when the resistance was there. That said, we actually managed to pierce through the clouds and there was very green and good volume. So this is a sign that buyers are actually pushing the prices up. So from its recent high of 41.33 here, in somewhere in February, to a recent low of 18.01, you can see that there was some Fibonacci resistance at 61.8% at 32.42. And just yesterday, we managed to clear it. So hopefully today, we can close above this particular resistance at 32.42. And the next resistance to watch will be 36.34 and also 41.33 if we manage to clear the $40 psychological support level. That said, if we actually start pulling back down, then we are looking at these two support levels here at this blue conversion line and this red baseline as well. And it's currently at 28.32 and also 26.48. Likewise, on the way down, this cloud will also act as a very strong and critical support at around $23 to $25 for Xpeng. Nevertheless, on the way up, high can always go higher, so we can continue to trend a lot higher. And do not underestimate the buying strength. So let's take a look at 9868, the one listed in Hong Kong. So as you can see, likewise, we already crossed this 61.8% at 127.4. So we already cleared this $130 psychological resistance level, and we're looking towards 142.5 and also potentially testing 161.8, which was this recent high here. Similar situation, you can see that we found some struggles along the cloud and we managed to go up immediately and piercing through the cloud with quite good volume, even though there was some red volume here. That said, if we actually start pulling back down, then we're looking at around 116 levels here and also 108 levels as potential supports as this blue conversion line and this red baseline as well. Today is a Friday, so the closing is extremely important. It is very important for the closing for the weekly candles on Xpeng and all other charts. So let's move on to the auto. So as you can see, the auto actually started to trend up really very high. You can see that this was the low here, this was the higher low, and then we started to make this very wave pattern. So if we go up too fast, it's actually not good as well. We may come down pretty fast as well. So you can see this resistance were already all broken, and we're likely looking towards 41.10 as the first resistance before retesting the recent high of 47.70. That said, just yesterday we can see that there was a struggles along the $40 psychological resistance level, and we actually hit a day high of 40.01. So if we do pull back down, then we're looking towards 35.06 and even potentially 31.17. That said, there is also this blue conversion line at 34.11 and also this red baseline at 30.77. So these two are acting as a good support for the auto. Nevertheless, as you can see, when we start going above and too high above this, too far away from this blue conversion line, the price actually stands to go back down and close this particular gap here. So do be forewarned that the prices may drop sharply because it has already went up too fast. And there's also a lot of gaps here that may be filled eventually on the way down. So let's move on to the one listed in Hong Kong, 2015. So 2015, as you can see, is still trending up. The market is open now, but there is not much data here. But very similar situation to the one listed at US for LI. You can see that it's very far away from this blue conversion line. So there's a chance for it to actually come back down quickly. You can clearly see that we are actually following the blue conversion line very, very closely. So the moment it starts to go up too high, there is a chance for us to go back down to actually close this particular gap. And there's also a very small particular gap here that may eventually be closed at near the $100 psychological support levels. If we start pulling back down, then this blue conversion line is at 138.8. And we start pulling back down, this red baseline is at 124. So there's a chance for us to visit 140s again and even potentially 125 levels. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.